He cuts wood with an excavator like a knife through a cucumber. Feel the expertise radiating from this man. The floor installer has landed the smoothest job in the world. It's flawless. You know you're a top-level welder when you're entrusted with making a giant ship propeller. This man's who can really captivate you with their work. Believe me, these guys are so experienced that they can afford to take measurements like this. Have you ever seen anything like this? This pro pilot does a U-turn on a helicopter like it's nothing. And these guys are way better than any sorting conveyors. This guy doesn't waste any time on unnecessary movements. This skilled craftswoman isn't afraid of a few heavy wooden planks. Even without supporting tools, you can still complete the task well. Stacking multiple layers of bricks simultaneously can increase work efficiency. With just one swing, this sailor is able to stop a multi-ton ship. Check out this perfect hand-drawn line. Careful, watching this guy work can be highly addictive. This must be the most perfect hand-painted toy ever. I don't know, for a true master, even cleaning a pipe looks like a vacation. Ensuring the safety of workers performing construction working under a pit. How to fill sandbags in seconds. And this guy can make old pavement look brand new again. A real pro, she doesn't even have to look down to make everything perfect. This master craftsman can make a ring that looks like it's worth millions, from nothing more than a glass bottle. Layers are sorted in an oddly satisfying way by a 3D concrete printer. This guy used an excavator to smooth concrete floors. This particular worker performed the job well on foot. This may look like just a broken tile to us, but for this master, it's an opportunity to create a masterpiece. A professional electrician like this needs a strong safety net because a rope isn't strong enough to hold his titanic self-confidence.